Layered lighting in a big family kitchen lets each activity have the right light at the right time without rewiring the whole house. Start by zoning the kitchen into task areas and ambient areas and plan lighting for each zone. Use recessed can lights on separate circuits with dimmers to provide even ambient light and avoid glare by spacing them on a grid based on ceiling height, typically every 4 to 6 feet for standard ceilings. Aim beams so they do not wash across reflective surfaces. Add under cabinet LED strips mounted toward the front of the cabinet bottom to reduce shadow on counters, and choose 3000 to 3500 Kelvin for accurate color rendering while keeping a warm feel. Over the island, install pendant fixtures on a dedicated dimmer so you can lower them for homework or raise them for meal prep, and hang them at about 30 to 34 inches above the countertop for visual comfort. For seating nooks or banquettes, use focused pendant task lights with adjustable shades so kids can read or do crafts without lighting the whole room. Integrate RGB accent lighting along toe kicks or open shelving controlled by presets for quick mood shifts from busy daylight to relaxed evening. Set a soft, warm preset for family meals and a brighter daylight preset for focused work. Finally, add motion sensor night lighting under cabinets or along steps set to very low levels so family members can navigate safely without waking others. Common mistakes include overlighting every surface, which causes harsh shadows and wastes energy. Fix this by layering one controlled ambient source with targeted task points and using dimmers. Another issue is poor color temperature mixing that makes food and skin tones look wrong. Standardize most task lighting to 3000 to 3500 Kelvin and use tunable RGB only for accents. A third problem is lack of control simplicity, which confuses everyone. Consolidate presets and label switches clearly or install scene buttons so one touch sets lighting for cooking, homework, or movie time. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work for projects like layered kitchen lighting design. We also host a discussion community where families and professionals share photos, wiring tips, and real-world installation experiences.